An upcoming crypto-based MasterCard credit card will allow you to use Bitcoin in transactions without selling your Bitcoin. Lots going on here in the crypto sphere during times of doubt-filled uncertainty and fear. The market being shaken around up and down. We are currently still in a very brutal range of sideways that we will need further, consolidation within, further solidification of support, and further confirmations of a reversal and, break upward here from this range will need to be met before we can become more comfortably bullish on continued gains. In my opinion, I find it very difficult to be bearish on Bitcoin and crypto overall. In the immediate short term, we may just need to be slapped around for a few more, perhaps days, weeks, maybe months, however long is necessary, a necessary evil to allow us to continue what, in my opinion, is still a longer term uptrend, and for us to experience tens to hundreds of percentages in upside, we will need to experience tens of percentages in downside and perhaps months of sideways. But let me know your thoughts on crypto. Drop a like on the video if you like the video, and be sure to subscribe. Now, with XLM here, it would appear bearish Robo advisors have returned, and we are hurtling toward potential support down below 17.5 cents is going to be the strongest horizontal level. We are looking for continued interaction toward here as long as bearish Robo advisors are present. So we did invest 20% at my support level back in the middle of March. We invested 30% when the daily candle opened and closed above the descending trend line on the 20th of March there. And then on the 21st, the buy 4 was confirmed, 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors becoming bullish, allowing for us to fully invest that remaining 50% into XLM, where we did anticipate continued upside. As you can see, we've experienced a healthy 18% in gains over the following couple weeks after bullish parameters met from EngineeringRobo. However, going with the flow of crypto, it would appear an abrupt change in momentum has sent price action back downward, looking for support, and has triggered bearish parameters from EngineeringRobo. And so, as you can see, utilizing the super sell, sell 2, and sell 4 all appearing on the same daily candle. Ever since the 6th, XLM did proceed to experience just about 9% in downside, but currently has recovered mostly. With bearish Robo advisors in mind, we do anticipate further consolidation toward support here as we patiently await the return of bullish parameters to be met. We always go with the flow of crypto and watch out for EngineeringRobo. Trade more tactically with a strategy. Utilizing the buy 2 and buy 4 back in July, we experienced, a good 63% in gains on XLM over the following month with bullish parameters met, and with the sell 2, super sell, and sell 4, we were saved from a crippling 23% correction that followed. With a buy 2 and buy 4 throughout October of 2021, roughly 1,000 years ago, we were able to experience 38% in upside over the following month with bullish Robo advisors, and then we were saved from the crypto correction that followed in November here that we are still making our way out of. The sell 2 and sell 4 back in the middle of November saved you from a crippling 51% correction. So right now, we are just going with the flow of the market, still continuing to be shook up, down, and around. I still find it very difficult to be bearish on the space. However, in the immediate short term, potentially further consolidation is necessary, further accumulation for institutions, and further fear-filled panic selling from potential retail investors. But all has been priced in. Let me know down below your thoughts on XLM, though. So major cryptocurrency loan company, Nexo, has officially launched a crypto-backed MasterCard, enabling users to pay for services with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin without selling their crypto. So this partnership with MasterCard is allowing cardholders to use their crypto as collateral rather than selling it. The Nexo card functions through Nexo's crypto-backed credit lines, which means that funds for your purchases come from your available credit line while your digital asset portfolio remains intact. Nexo anticipates the Nexo card to be accepted by 92 million merchants worldwide where MasterCard is accepted, allowing investors to spend up to 90% of the fiat value of their crypto in seconds without selling any of it. Soon to be worldwide. However, the card is only immediately available currently for select European markets, roughly 29 different countries throughout Europe. Offering unprecedented everyday utility for the emerging asset class, MasterCard believes that digital assets are revolutionizing the financial landscape, and we are leading in innovation with programs like our partnership with Nexo to deliver people new and one-of-a-kind choices in how they pay and activate their crypto holdings. Very bullish, in my opinion, for crypto and blockchain. An overall uptrend is very much intact. A shape is appearing here, a very big gap, a void occurring in the traditional world of finance, seemingly perfectly shaped for blockchain technology. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. We've been covering every pretty much day on the channel here. All these different institutions and entities getting involved in the space one way or another. May not be direct Bitcoin accumulation, but it would appear the metaverse, Web3, NFTs, blockchain technology overall just making some big moves right now. Looking at Bitcoin here, it would appear we have returned to my range of strange back between $40,000 and $42,000 per Bitcoin. Just a hilarious zone we've visualized that we do anticipate continued interaction with. However, the strongest area of support here is going to be $34,655 per Bitcoin, a bullish level we were able to, purchase Bitcoin at back in January of this year. It is not impossible at all for us to return to this level before seeing the euphoric six-figure target that we still do anticipate. However, right now we are just going with the flow of crypto, and with bearish robo advisors returning here, it would appear the sell for and heck have come back into play ever since the 8th of April, and we were saved from this seemingly brief 7% correction that followed bearish robo advisors, as we have recovered here partially. But until bullish robo advisors return, we do anticipate some perhaps slightly unsightly bearish sideways moving forward here. We just wait for the confirmations and act accordingly. Right now, we are looking for continued support and the return of bullish robo advisors, similar to back in July here, where we were able to experience 49% in gains with this combination of bullish robo advisors, similar to an instance throughout October, where we experienced 40% in gains. And then bearish parameters met in November saved us from the crypto correction, the sell for and heck, saving us from losing 41% of our investment holding on to Bitcoin with bearish robo advisors here. So the more downside, the more sideways, the more consolidation here we have, the more accumulation occurring, and the healthier and stronger the uptrend will likely continue. In my opinion, I do believe we are headed toward, in the immediate short term, $58,202 per Bitcoin as local resistance. However, a six-figure target is to be revealed here. And so we use the fear and FOMO zones to determine longer-term entries and exits for Bitcoin here, coming from the fear zone back in 2020, roughly 4,000 years ago. Bitcoin has only experienced 882% in gains, only 10x in the following kind of couple years here. And right now, we have yet to see the FOMO zone, which is currently sitting all the way up at $177,000 per Bitcoin. Actually, my mistake, $179,000 per Bitcoin, a far more reasonable top to be considering once we have entered the FOMO zone. I anticipate plenty of traders buying at that level because someone has to buy the top. But when everyone is buying and FOMO is in the market, you want to be selling because you've been accumulating during the lows here during times of extreme fear. Right now, we are still coming out of like a year plus phase of sideways here, establishing support, getting rejected off resistance, setting some very nice all-time highs, currently confirming the third higher low in a good year plus here of sideways. But going with the flow of Bitcoin and crypto, we always go with the flow of the market and watch out for EngineeringRobo before jumping in and out of it. Feelings and opinions do not matter here in trading, but it is always fun to have. Let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. Thank you so much for hearing my analysis, and tune in for the next one.